Cryptocurrency is a form of digital money that uses cryptography for security. It operates on a decentralized network, currencies that are controlled by banks. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a public ledger known as the blockchain. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrency means that no central authority controls it. This makes it unique and offers benefits like security, privacy, and transparency. So why should you care about cryptocurrency in your personal finances? Cryptocurrencies have become a major player in global finance in recent years. They've attracted attention from investors, governments, and financial institutions. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, has seen its value skyrocket, creating millionaires along the way. Ethereum is another popular cryptocurrency that has revolutionized decentralized finance, DeFi, and smart contracts. But cryptocurrency is highly volatile, which makes it risky for investors. While Bitcoin has soared in value, it's also experienced massive drops in a short period. Investing in cryptocurrency can lead to substantial gains, but also significant losses. Understanding your risk tolerance is key before deciding if crypto is for you. Some investors are comfortable with the volatility and see it as an opportunity for high returns. Others prefer safer, more stable investments and may not be suited for the risky world of cryptocurrency. When it comes to investing, diversification is important. This includes cryptocurrencies. Don't put all your money into one asset or one type of investment, including cryptocurrency. A well-balanced portfolio helps protect you from market volatility, including in the crypto space. If you're new to crypto, you might wonder which cryptocurrencies to invest in. Bitcoin is the largest and most established cryptocurrency and is often seen as a store of value. Ethereum is the second largest and is known for supporting smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Beyond these, there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies known as altcoins. Altcoins like Chainlink, Polkadot, and Uniswap offer unique features in decentralized finance, privacy, and blockchain technology. However, altcoins can be more volatile and speculative than Bitcoin or Ethereum, so invest cautiously. To get started with cryptocurrency, you need to use an exchange platform. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini, where you can buy, sell, and trade crypto. Once you set up an account, you can use fiat money, like USD, EUR, to buy crypto. You can store your crypto on the exchange or transfer it to a private wallet for added security. A secure wallet is crucial because cryptocurrencies are not insured like traditional bank accounts. If you lose access to your wallet or your exchange is hacked, you could lose everything. There are different types of wallets: online, mobile, hardware, and paper. Hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor offer the highest level of security because they store crypto offline. If you're serious about investing in cryptocurrency, securing your assets is non-negotiable. Crypto can be used for more than just investment. It's also a method of payment. More businesses are starting to accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment for goods and services. Some people also use cryptocurrency as a hedge against inflation, particularly Bitcoin, which has a limited supply. Unlike fiat currencies, Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins, making it an attractive alternative to traditional currency. DeFi, decentralized finance, is another growing trend in cryptocurrency. It offers decentralized lending, borrowing, and trading without intermediaries. Cryptocurrencies also offer faster and cheaper cross-border payments compared to traditional financial systems. However, investing in cryptocurrency comes with a set of risks. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrency, and some countries have banned it altogether. For example, China has cracked down on cryptocurrency trading, while countries like El Salvador have made Bitcoin legal tender. Staying informed about the evolving regulatory landscape is important for any crypto investor. Education is your best tool in navigating the crypto world. The more you learn, the better prepared you'll be to make informed decisions. The crypto market is fast-paced and full of jargon, but taking the time to understand it will pay off. As you get started, always remember to invest only what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies can be part of your portfolio, but they should not be your only investment. Think of them as an alternative asset class, similar to gold, to help diversify your financial strategy. By adding cryptocurrency to your portfolio, you're part of a financial revolution that could reshape global finance. The key to success in the crypto market is patience, research, and risk management. If you approach cryptocurrency with a clear strategy, you can minimize risks and maximize potential rewards. Just remember, as with any investment, there are no guarantees. Cryptocurrency is volatile, and prices can change drastically in a short period. Understanding the risks, staying informed, and diversifying your investments are critical to success in the crypto space. By being cautious and strategic, cryptocurrency can be a valuable part of your personal finance journey.